and still get up into the circle of Willis. But anyway, we're going to do this one from my ascending aorta. So let's do it. So number one, ascending aorta. And so if I'm going by way of my left carotid, what's next? Aortic arch. Then what? Huh?
Radius valve trauma. Radius valve trauma.
Left common carotid, right? Because I said left side. Right? If I had said right side, then you could have did that. Okay, so we're going to come right off the aortic arch with the left common carotid. Left common carotid artery. Okay, so the left common carotid, then it's going to take me up to the carotid sinus, then I'm going to split into my internal.
Did you have to put left or right on that?
Yes,
So it'd be left internal?
yes, left internal carotid. Left internal carotid. And then my internal carotid, because we're going to the frontal lobe. So from that internal carotid, I will touch a little bit of that middle cerebral artery. That middle cerebral artery. And then I'll go out that anterior cerebral artery, because that artery is going to touch the frontal lobe.
These are off the left, right?
Yes, sorry. Left. Then frontal lobe. So now I have to come back to the heart. And when you're looking at your drainage, when I'm looking at a model like this, all of this blue stuff in here is your venous sinus. That's what this is called. And then in that model too. So this drainage right here, and then the blue inside here is draining me back towards the heart. So my venous sinuses inside this area is draining me back towards the heart. Okay, so when I look at this model, my frontal lobe is going to take me by way of my superior sagittal sinus. Okay, this right here is superior sagittal sinus. That makes sense, right? Because the frontal lobe sits here. So that blood is just going to drain up this way and come back down to this area right here and come down towards this transverse area, sigmoid area, and down through the foramen. So from frontal lobe, I'm going to hit number 8 is going to be my superior sagittal sinus. Because it's my venous sinuses that drain the brain area. So It's just one of those, so I don't need to say left or right on that. Okay, so number 9, that superior sagittal sinus is going to lead me down to an area known as the confluence of sinuses. Confluence of sinuses. Then, number 10, I have my transverse sinus. And you can see that on that model. You have a left and a right. So my left transverse sinus will dump me into my left sigmoid sinus. And then from there, I have a foramen, and that's a landmark, my foramen, jugular foramen. Remember that hole? Jugular foramen inside the skull. That's a landmark there, jugular foramen. So from the sigmoid sinus, we're going to dump into the jugular foramen. And then we're going to be on my left internal jugular vein. And then that internal jugular vein is going to drain me to my brachiocephalic vein, left. Brachiocephalic vein. And then, of course, that leads me to superior vena cava. And if you're looking at this venous drainage, guys, and if y'all can kind of come up here a little bit because you're too far away. Too far away. And I'm going to copy these, and then that'll be about it for today. I'm going to go copy these.